Today we're doing upit, and I'm gonna show you how to do it, and then you will be happy to eat it. First, we're gonna put oil, and then we're gonna put some mustard seeds. You should put 3 times. After you put it, put chana dal, only 1 spoon, and then put rava dal, urad dal into the pan, and then mix it until the urad dal is a little bit done. And be also careful about the mustard seed because it will burst and then it will come on your skin and it will really hurt. So watch out. Also mix it a little bit on your way to do it. Yeah, about that. Yeah, watch out for that. Yeah, sometimes big birds come out. And now we are gonna put some curry leaves into it. Okay. After you put curry leaves, please put some onions. I'm going to take the onions in. Put some onions into the bowl. And now put some chilies into the bowl. And also watch out for chilies and onions because they're also gonna burst. And then mix it a little bit out. And just to let you know, this is very easy. This is the only ingredients that you need to put, and there's only 2 more ingredients left to do until it's finished. So now you are gonna roast and then you're gonna put some salt. Let's see the salt going in. And then after you put the salt, mix it up until the salt is mixed up with the onion and chili. Mix it up and mix it up very good. So after you now mix it up very well, and then you can move on with the next step. The next step is to put water, but first before that you need to wait until it all does the trick. When these bubbles come, fry it in golden brown and wait until it's very boiling. And then next you are gonna need to put some water into this. some beans into the bowl. Right. After you put beans, mix it up very well again, and also try to cover the onions on top of the beans. Let the bean and the onion fry. So that means you need to wait for maybe 5 minutes. Fry it up. You need to wait until 5 minutes. Fry it up very well. So if you fried it very well, it will come more taste and you will like it. And if it's your first time doing this, don't worry, because you can also skip doing things. You can also skip a chana dal if you want. So now it's roasted. So now we're gonna put boiling water into the bowl. Very boiling water. It should be boiled from the stove. After it is boiled, put it in the side. After you have put it, and then stir it a little bit, and then let it until it boils. Then you can put the rava into the boiling hot water with beans and onions. Just to let you know, do not mix it. If you mix it, it will restart to boil. And now it's already boiling. It only takes 1 minute only to boil. So after it is boiling, please put rava. It's very important to put it. And now stir it. Stir it very well. And then after it comes out, cover it all up, because this will be it all will pop, because it will be very dangerous. And this has to be the last part. You only need to put this, and then there's only one more part left, and then after you put it, you have nice uppit. So just wait it up. And now I'm just gonna check inside. Okay, it's still not done. Yeah. Wait. Now put some coriander into the uppit. It should be very hardened, so be careful. The pan could move also. After you done it, congratulations, because this is the last part and now the uppit is done. And